So over here in Google Slides, once you go in and type in your text, you can go around onto the font selection menu and select the font which is here. So that is possible. But if you want more fonts than what you see here in the list, you can go to more fonts. Once you do that, it'll open up Google Fonts where you can find in different type of fonts that you want to use. So here there are more fonts as you can see right here. But if you want to be more specific on the font, you can go around and choose. Let's say, for example, you want all scripts, or you just want Japanese, or you want Vietnamese. You can just select this out right here, as you can see right here. I'm just going to leave that to default. Over here, there's so all fonts. So what I want is I want a bit of a creative font. So I'm just going to go for handwriting font. So it'll only show the handwriting fonts right here. And then I can sort it alphabetically or by popularity. So I'm just going to say trending right here so that it displays the most trending fonts. Oh, this is the one I like. So I'm just going to click on this and you can see that it has been added right here. I can click on multiple fonts as well and they'll be added in. So I'm just going to add in this one and this one, as you can see right here, and I'm going to press OK. So now what happens is that if I were to click on the menu, you'll see that particular font right here. So you can see that if I were to click on it, you can see that the handwriting font has been applied. And this is one of the Google fonts that we chose. And that is how you can add more fonts onto the font list by going into more fonts to access Google Fonts in Google Slides. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.